morning everyone. It is 7:15 on Wednesday the 7th of January. So I'm in a totally different area now in the mornings. Not down the front, not downstairs, but I'm upstairs in the principal's area. So yeah, a new area for me. Woohoo! So I thought I'd give you a little tour around. I think I've shown you all before, but yeah, I'll give you a little preview. So yeah, there's the kitchen area. Toilets, no need to explain what those are. My cleaning cupboard, I've got a cleaning cupboard now. That's the boardroom. And some offices by there. Another office. I used to call these weird space chairs, because they do look weird. Executive suite. HR. Then we've got these doors. Aha, I was looking for this room. So yeah, there's another office. Waiting area. You've got like a signed t-shirt there. And these doors lead outside to the main area, so yeah, I thought I'd show a tiny bit of it, but I don't want to show too much, so yeah, that's my new area. I have just finished work, so I'm on my way to pick up the little one ready for nursery. Let's get this day started.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. Wake up!
Good afternoon everyone. So I haven't been on lately, as I think I got a bit too worn out yesterday, tired. But today is Saturday, it's the 10th of January. And it's 1 p.m. or nearly 1 p.m. Anyway, we're going off out to town as we need to buy batteries for the TV, as I cannot live without the TV. So let's go on out, and yeah, I might grab some lunch out with the little one. So yes, come along with us. While my hot chocolate is being made, I bought these from town earlier. I bought 4 of them, and it's by Ridiculously Rich by Alana. I'm gonna taste it in a bit and let you all know what it's like. So yes, I'm gonna check it out. She is on social media. I'll link her down below as well, but I'll find out what they are like. They do look really nice, to be fair. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm just popping on to end the vlog. I don't think I've got as much footage, but I hope you still all enjoy anyway. And I'll try and upload properly next time. I really want to stay in a routine, so yes, I'll try and think of other vlogs in between, and yes, I hope you all enjoyed. I hope you all have a good weekend, and I will see you in the next vlog. Bye bye for now.